Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a new brand that I'm trying out, and this is Believe Beauty, which is available exclusively at Dollar General. Today I have 8 polishes from Believe Beauty to share with you, and I'm going to be creating 4 different nail art designs using these polishes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. For the first design, I'm going to be doing a gradient using Kiss and Tell, Rouge Veritable, and Duchess. I'm first going to apply 2 coats of Kiss and Tell to my nails, and then I'm going to apply the 3 polishes slightly overlapping each other onto a makeup sponge. I'm going to sponge it onto my nail, and I'm going to repeat it for as many times as I need until I'm happy with the opacity of the gradient. Once I'm happy with the gradient, I'm going to clean up around my nail using a brush dipped in acetone. Then I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat to smooth out the gradient. For the second design, I'm going to be doing a simple glitter gradient. I'm going to use Girl Talk as my base polish, which is a really pretty nude polish with some fine silver shimmer. I did apply 2 coats for full opacity. For the glitter, I'm going to be using Gold Rose, which is a glitter polish that has small and large rose gold hex glitter suspended in a clear base. I'm going to apply the glitter polish to the tip of my makeup sponge and dab it onto my nail, concentrating most of the glitter near the free edge of my nail. This polish is honestly like the more affordable rose gold version of Essie's Set in Stones, one of my favorite glitter polishes. Finally, I'm going to fill in any bald spots using the tip of the polish brush itself, and then I'm going to complete this look by applying Believe Beauty's Gel Effect top coat. And here's the finished design. For the next design, I'm going to start by applying 2 coats of Chakra, which is a pale purple cream polish. I love pastel cream polishes, and this might be my favorite of the collection. On my middle finger, I'm going to stamp this butterfly image using some black polish, but you could totally swap this out for any other stamp that you have, some freehand nail art, or you could just leave your mani with 1 glitter nail accent. For my glitter accent, I used a couple coats of Roulette, which is a multicolored glitter polish, over Chakra. And I'm going to finish it off by applying the Gel Effect top coat. And here's the finished design. And for the last design, I'm going to be using Serene as my base polish. Serene is a muted forest green cream polish, and it was opaque in just 2 coats. I thought this color would look really good paired with the gold polish, so I'm going to stamp this arrow pattern using a gold polish onto my nails. And once again, I'm going to top that off with the Gel Effect top coat. And here's the finished design. So those are all the Believe Beauty polishes that I tried. Like I said earlier, this is a new brand to me, but I'm super impressed by the quality of these affordable nail polishes. I love that they have a wide brush so it makes application super easy, and the colors are really pretty too. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out Believe Beauty, which is available exclusively at Dollar General. If you recreate any of these designs, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!